HR diagram which is given. Okay, so PQR and the color is given. We need to decide what is in the y-axis label is missing. Which of these is the correct label for y-axis? So we know from HR diagram that in y-axis what should become, and option A absolute magnitude, option B apparent magnitude, option C scalar magnitude, and option D vector magnitude. We know this one is an easy one. The answer is absolute magnitude. Yeah, so the absolute magnitude is the correct answer. How we know that? We know from HR diagram, absolute magnitude is a scale which astronomers use to measure the brightness of star at standard distance. Yeah, so this is the correct answer. Let's move toward part B. The box contains word to identify the shaded areas P, Q, and R on a HR diagram. Use word from the box to identify P, Q, and R. So we have to decide what is P, what is Q, and what is R in this diagram. This one is very easy. If we have studied this in our theory, that P is what? P is our white dwarf, and Q is what? Q is our main sequence, and R is what? R is giant, and it is a red giant. So we have to figure it out and write down the blanks. So P is our white dwarf, Q is our main sequence, and R is what? R is red giants. As the x-axis value increase, the temperature decrease, meaning that higher temperatures are on left side, white star are hotter than red stars. Okay, so you can easily see it in this figure. This is our temperature. Temperature is decreasing like this. Okay, so this is our white dwarf and this is our red giant. So white dwarf is hotter and red giant than our red giant.